Have you ever stepped into a home that just feels different? A space that radiates calmness, success, and abundance, as if it naturally attracts good fortune? This isn't a coincidence. Across Buddhist philosophy, Feng Shui, and even modern science, there's a deep-rooted belief that certain plants don't just decorate your space. They transform your energy, attracting prosperity, peace, and well-being. According to Buddhist wisdom, your surroundings are a reflection of your energy, and certain plants hold the power to attract abundance. In Buddhism, plants are seen as living symbols of growth, balance, and karma. When you care for a plant, you nurture patience, mindfulness, and abundance, qualities that naturally attract wealth and success. In Feng Shui, certain plants are believed to direct and enhance the flow of energy, Chai, preventing financial blockages and bringing luck, stability, and endless opportunities. But it's not just spiritual wisdom. Science backs this up too. Studies show that plants reduce stress, boost focus, and even improve financial decision-making by creating a calmer, more positive environment. Have you ever noticed how often the number 7 appears in spiritual and cultural traditions? There are 7 chakras, 7 heavens, and 7 guiding principles in Buddhist teachings. Even in numerology, 7 is the number of wisdom, introspection, and inner growth. That's why today, I'll share 7 wealth-attracting plants, each one carefully chosen for its ability to bring financial success, protection, and abundance into your life. Before we begin, let's activate your wealth energy. Type this affirmation in the comments. Wealth flows into my life effortlessly, like the roots of a tree drawing in endless nourishment. The money plant is a symbol of unrestricted cash flow. In Buddhist traditions, its trailing vines represent the pathways of financial abundance. But be careful. If its leaves dry out or grow downward, it signals wealth slipping away. To maximize its power, place it in the southeast corner of your home, where energy circulates for prosperity. The bamboo plant is a sacred symbol of resilience and steady financial growth. In Buddhist teachings, bamboo teaches us that true wealth comes from flexibility, the ability to bend but never break. A 3-stalk arrangement brings happiness, 5 brings health, but 8 stalks invite unlimited prosperity. The jade plant, often called the merchant's good luck charm, is a symbol of wealth retention. Its round, coin-like leaves signify accumulated fortune, making it perfect for businesses. Place it near your front door, office desk, or safe to encourage steady financial growth. In Buddhism and Hinduism, Tulsi is considered a sacred plant that purifies negative energy and attracts divine blessings. It not only promotes mental clarity and protection, but also removes financial obstacles from your path. Its presence invites prosperity and harmony, making it ideal for your home's entrance or meditation space. Unlike other plants, the snake plant is known as a wealth protector. In Buddhist teachings, it absorbs negative energy and shields against financial misfortune. Placing it near your front door or work desk ensures that money stays in your home and doesn't flow out uncontrollably. In Buddhist teachings, the lotus represents purity, enlightenment, and rising above obstacles. But did you know it also symbolizes financial growth? Placing a lotus plant in a water feature at home brings divine abundance and removes financial struggles, just as the lotus rises from muddy waters into pure beauty. In many Buddhist cultures, citrus trees, especially lemon, orange, and kumquat, are believed to bear golden fruits of fortune. Their fruits symbolize wealth, and their refreshing fragrance uplifts energy, ensuring a steady flow of prosperity. Keep one near your kitchen or balcony for maximum effect. Wealth isn't just about money, it's about energy. The energy you nurture in your home is the energy that returns to you. That's why Buddhist wisdom teaches us, what you cultivate grows. If you want prosperity to grow, you must nurture an environment where it can thrive. And these 7 plants are more than decorations. They are silent guardians of your wealth, energy, and success. So, let me ask you, which of these powerful plants will you invite into your home first? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. As you bring these plants into your home, remember, true wealth isn't just about what you gain, but also about what you give. When you share good energy, it comes back to you multiplied. So, if this video brought you insight, inspiration, or a new perspective, share it with someone who needs it. Because the more we uplift others, the more we rise together. This is just the beginning of your journey into wealth, wisdom, and energy alignment. If you want to uncover more ancient secrets of abundance, subscribe now, because your next step toward prosperity is just one video away. Until next time, keep your energy high, your mind open, and your space abundant. See you in the next video.